Okay, girls. This is grade 8, chapter 8, lesson 6. It says changes in dimensions. Okay? So, the first part of this chapter is surface area of similar solids. And the second part is volume of similar solids. You need to know how to find surface area. We wrote down our formulas. If you lost your paper, that's your problem. Please make sure you find somebody who has their paper for formulas and they send it to you and you write them. Okay? If you don't know the formula, you can Google. It is there. It is on Google. All right. Now, surface area of similar solids. The word similar means we are doing dilation. So you have to remember chapter 7 or 6, one of them. Okay? Now, surface area of similar solids, we have said similar means you're doing dilation. And when we do dilation, it means we are going to have two solids that are the same shape but different size. That's what dilation means. Same shape but different size. But what are we going to do about our shapes? We are going to find surface area. And we have done our formulas for surface area, for cone, for cylinder, for rectangular prism. Okay? All right. So when you do for cube, you can follow the one for rectangular prism. Or at the end of this video, I will do for cube. Okay? All right. So when you have two shapes during dilation, it means you have a pre-image and an image. Okay? That's what it means. So during dilation, you have two shapes, since it is a transformation. And during any transformation, you should have a pre-image and an image. So because we have a pre-image and an image, you will need to find the scale factor. Okay? So that means we need three formulas. The formula for finding surface area of the image, the formula for finding surface area of the pre-image, and the formula for finding the scale factor when you have surface area. Okay? Your answer for surface area of image will have units. Your answer for surface area of pre-image will also have units. And your answer for scale factor will not have units. Okay? So how do we find surface area of image? So if the question doesn't give you, then you have to use the formula. You find the surface area, then you use that number here. And the scale factor that the question will give you. Now remember, the scale factor has to be squared because of the word area. Okay? So you'll say surface area of pre-image and then you will multiply by the scale factor squared. Now over here, if you have the surface area of the image, you will divide by the scale factor squared, and this will give you the surface area of the pre-image. And then scale factor, remember scale factor is image over pre-image, so you'll take the surface area of the image, you will divide by the surface area of the pre-image. After you divide, you find the square root. Okay? That is how you do. So if the question doesn't give you the surface area, it means you need to find the formula. Once you get the number, then you plug it into your formula. So when it comes to the volume, When it comes to volume, find the volume of the image. Volume of image is volume of pre-image times scale factor cubed. When it is volume, you cube. Volume of pre-image is volume of image divided by scale factor cubed. Please use the brackets. There's a reason why I put them there. Because if your scale factor is a fraction, you have to use the bracket. So whether it is a whole number, a decimal, or a fraction, I want it in the bracket. Okay? If they ask you for the scale factor, you are going to find the cube root. Okay? So first you will divide the volume of the image by the volume of the pre-image. Then you will cube root that answer. Alright. So how do we find volume? You should know how to find volume of cube. Volume of cube is found by side times side times side, which means side to the third power and then your units cubed. Okay? That is how you find the volume of a cube. How do you find surface area of a cube? So surface area of cube. The cube has 6 squares. So that will mean 6 times side times side. 6 times side squared. And then units squared. So this is the formula for surface area of cube. And this is the formula for volume of cube. Okay? So now you have all your formulas for rectangular prism, for cylinder, for cone. And now we added cube. So you need to make sure you know whether when they're asking for surface area, you have to make sure you're looking for open, closed, or hollow. The question will not tell you. You need to know from the question on how to read whether you're going to do open, closed, or hollow. Okay? And that's it. Make sure you remember these formulas and do the examples. You have A, B, C, and D. Okay? And look at example 3. And I have opened the Aleph lesson, so do your DOK 1, 2, and 3 before I see you tomorrow. Bye.